guys, Alex here over at Pinnacle Training Systems. Today we're going to be talking about T-spine mobility, and that refers to what's called the thoracic spine. So that's going to be the upper mid-back area. A lot of people use mobility tools such as a foam roller in order to smash that area by moving, arching the back, and using that foam roller for soft tissue work and to get the muscles in between the ribs. But today we're going to be talking about more specifically using the double lacrosse ball. This is what it looks like. This is going to find specifically more tight spots, and we want to target those spots using this instead of doing overall soft tissue work like you would with the foam roller. So we're going to be using this to target the upper mid-back area to improve posture and overhead mobility. So to get set up, what you're going to do is place your spine in between where that little gap is there. So that's where your spine's going to go. We never want to smash bone. We only want to smash tissue, okay? So muscle tissue. So what you're going to do is you're going to place this peanut up here in the upper back, and we're just going to roll down and smash the muscle that lines the spine on each side. Make sure that you're not smashing that spine, okay? We're placing the lacrosse balls where the muscles are on the side of the spine. And then what you're going to do is once it's placed properly, give yourself some love, give yourself a big hug, okay? That's going to be very important because what that does is it opens up the area, it gets the shoulder blades out of the way, okay? So once you find that spot, give yourself some love. You're going to move side to side, right to left, and then you're going to roll up about half an inch. Move side to side, roll up half an inch. You're just going to continue doing that all through the upper mid-back area. When you find a tight spot, take a couple deep breaths to make it a little bit more intense. Lift those hips up. For athletes and people who may be more stiff, what you can also do is use a weighted bumper plate. So let's say you find a really tight spot in that upper thoracic region, okay, and you want to make it a little bit more intense. You can grab a 25-pound plate, stick it on the chest, hug it, move side to side, and really target those specific areas. So if you guys have any questions, please let us know. Hopefully that helps. Again, it really can improve posture, overhead positioning for important tasks such as lifting things overhead, and making sure that you're in a good position when you're standing, sitting, so on and so forth. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let us know, and hopefully that helps.